Hey guys, Carlos Perez here, making a video because I'm really liking the things you can do with AI now. I like the no-code platforms, and if you know a little bit of code, it just makes it that much easier. So I was trying to think of something that would be helpful, like a real-world application, and it dawned on me how many people will have food at the house but say they have nothing to eat. And I don't know if they just want to order takeout or if it's just one of those things where they don't know what to make with what they have. So I put together this site, and it's basically a site that you list the ingredients that you have available, and it will give you 3 recipes for that. Now it's all free. If a person wants to upgrade to the $9.99 a month plan, then that comes with meal planning, and it schedules like your meals for the whole week, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It builds the shopping list out for you, takes into account dietary preferences, and it even integrates with the calendar, so you can basically know if you're a family what's you're having every day, basically. So let me show you what it looks like. When you sign in, just go to the sign in page. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually launch this or if I'm going to probably just sell it. But I would like feedback from you guys. Okay, so once you're in here, you'll be prompted to do the upgrade, but you don't have to. So let me show you what it looks like. So let's say at the house you have 3 eggs. Add that, cheddar cheese, okay, some spinach, um, let's go with some tomatoes maybe, and a French bread. Let's just French bread. Okay. We'll have everything in there. We'll hit generate chef quality recipes. We wait a minute. It's going to populate 3 recipes, usually ranked from easy to hard. And again, with just the items you have. So it's going through, it's matching what you have to recipes. And when it pops it out, you have a complete instructions on cook time and everything. So the first one would be a savory French bread and egg stratum with wilted spinach and heirloom tomato, deconstructed crepes egg scramble with cheddar crisp and French bread croutons, open faced croquette Madame Sansburg with blistering tomato and wilted spinach. So this is something that's easy, medium, and medium. So if you want to see, this would take 15 minutes to serve one person, but you're able to go in there and actually choose the number of people in your household too. So if you click on show the recipe, you'll see the 1 egg, the cheddar cheese, the spinach, the tomato, and the 2 slices of bread. It gives you the instructions on the preheat the oven, what to do, and there's some chef tips right there. And if you want to enhance the recipe, if you have salt, you can add the salt. If you have black pepper, you can add black pepper. So it will suggest things down here that would enhance what you have. Same thing right here, 20 minutes, 2 eggs, the cheddar cheese, grated and grated for crisp. So you want to have in the eggs in crisp. Again, all the instructions. And if you have these enhancements, that's included. And it's right here. So from easy to medium, and this style is American bistro. This style is contemporary brunch and refined breakfast brunch. As you can see, you get everything you need to cook with what you have in your refrigerator. Now, if you upgrade, I don't have the credit card live now, but when you click upgrade, you'll see me taken to it. It's going to automatically upgrade me because I don't have the actual card on there to go to it. So it's going to upgrade, and you'll see that I'll be upgraded. See it's right there. Now I'm upgraded. Now I have my meal planning. I hit my meal planning now, and go by the family size. If I want on quick things, moderate, leisurely, a dietary restrictions, anything that I need to avoid, any special requests, and the cuisine preference. So you can go through and check that out. So if I want something quick, family of two, uh, vegan, dairy free, Mexican American, Mediterranean, and let's get our meal plan. So it's taking into account everything. And then once it creates the meal plan, you just go right here to the meal plan, you'll be able to see it, and then your shopping list as well. But again, I'm not sure if I'm going to launch this live or if I'm going to just outright sell it. If you're interested in purchasing it, reach out to me. It's really negotiable. I can have it set up on your server almost immediately with any domain of your choice. There you go, Monday breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we're having black bean tacos with corn sauce and avocado. That's good. And then breakfast, overnight oats with berries and almonds, Mediterranean hummus with veggie wrap, Mediterranean quinoa bar bowls with store-bought falafel. Same thing right here. Now, what I like about it is that it's taken into account that you may not eat everything at dinner, so you have leftovers for lunch. So it's very cost effective too in the way it structures everything, that once you eat this, that you can also have it the next day too. And then your complete shopping list, everything you need. So yeah, with that, like I said, you just have the ability to choose anything you have in your refrigerator. Let's see, got bread. So you got bread with onions, and carrots, ground turkey, and maybe some cheese, American cheese. And we're going to create our recipes. Oh, you also have filters here too. These filters allow you to filter out like cook time, difficulty levels, cuisine type. And I didn't bring that into both the thing, but that's over there, so you can actually start like choosing all easy recipes and all say Mexican or Greek. So this filter allows you to filter all this stuff out as well. Okay, and we see we got bread, onion. Okay, so pressed turkey, caramelized onion, terrine with carrot reduction. Something hard. So you see that's a hard recipe to make. It serves 4 people. You got the complete instructions on what to do down here. This one is medium, deconstructed turkey patty melt. Okay, good. And the savory turkey carrot arvansi with melted cheese core toasted bread essence. Sounds fancy. So you can see you're always going to get a good recipe back for the foods you have on hand in your refrigerator. You'll also get enhancement ideas down the bottom of each recipe in order to make it taste a little better, and then your chef tips as well. So again, this really will eliminate people feeling as if they don't have anything to eat in the house, knowing that they can make a gourmet meal with just what they have. So guys, thank you for listening. If you want to actually purchase this, reach out to me and we can discuss it. I don't have a set price in mind, but I know when it launches that this will be something that's very useful to have. Okay, talk guys later. Bye.